Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I'm your favorite host, James. Today, we're going to introduce Hailuo AI. Hailuo means conch shell, the one that you can hear the sound of the ocean. It's pronounced Hailuo. I'm Asian, so you can trust me. I know everybody heard about Hailuo because this is the most advanced AI models that can generate videos. And it is famous for the good qualities of the videos. And recently, Hailuo just updated director mode. So basically, everybody can be director now. So when you type the domain hailuoai.video, you will be landing this screen. You will find not only Hailuo can generate videos, but they have a chat bot and also audio bot. So if you want to talk to Hailuo directly and you want to use DeepSeek, you can use Hailuo chat. See, this is really nice, right? And what about the audio generation? And also you can generate audio. So when you generate a video, but you have no sound, you can use this. But today, let's give the stage light to video generation. How to generate a video inside of Hailuo. So click here. And here is the dashboard of Hailuo. So we have image to video, which means you will generate a video based on your image and text to video. And also we have subject reference. See on our right, we already have many videos that's already been generated. You see, we have a character that's walking in the street that cannot rotate the camera. And I love this one. So this is very natural, right? You cannot feel this is an AI generated character, right? And for the animation performance, I think also Hailuo is the winner because it's very natural. You can make your character walk, run, and pose as you command. And what I loved about Hailuo is how natural the character is. And we can customize the video by ourselves. And we can change the motion and the movement of the camera. It is very good. I think it is the best model on market. So let's try to upload the first image. Let's upload a very big robot and let's type a prompt here. Okay, and for the model, when we click here, we have three options. I2V01 director, which is the most advanced model, and also I2V01 Live and I2V01. What is so special about the director model? So when you click here, we can find that we have this small button. So when we click, and we have two tabs, we can easily preview the movement of the cameras. So if you are select the left circling, basically your object will be staying in the center and the whole background will be moved towards left circle. And also we have a right circling and upward, live walking, downward, stage left. So basically it covers all the movement of the camera. So if you don't want those templates, you can choose a free selection where you can tweak the parameters and telling the AI what you want to do. So let's add a shake. And I want to upwards the camera. So click here and maybe a little bit push in. So add one more. You see, we also have the certain prompts added here. Okay, let's click the generate. Okay, we have our video generated. We can also change the dashboard by dragging it. Fantastic! See, we have the shake, we have the lift up, and also push in. So it's so controllable. So we're basically an AI director. What kind of option do we have? So first we have a recreate and we have download. And also you can share to the social media or copy the link. And here we can post to the community report and add to our filter and delete. And let's try to download this because we have a watermark here. So what if I don't want a watermark? So click here without watermark and open it. It's like living in a dream, man. So delete it and upload another one. So I just generated this very cute character. And let's write the prompt. But you see, my prompt is not very good. So let's click here. So when we enable this, the prompts will be automatically enhanced. And click the camera. Let's be a director again. And go back to cinematic shots. And let's choose one. What about left circling? So let's add a left circling. And let's click the generate. All right, we generated our video. Let's see. Isn't that amazing? So let's download it and open it again. Wow, check out the details of this gown. Let's try to generate a video based on the text. Let's type a prompt here. Even if we are generate based on text, we also can use the camera controls. So let's use maybe this one. And let's click generate. Okay, we generated a video based on our prompts and it looks good. Maybe let's try subject reference so we can add a reference character. So let's upload here. So this character, don't misunderstand, is also generated by AI. Click the conform. So let's type our character's story and generate. Okay, we generated our video. It looks nice. So I upload a reference character and we generated the video based on this character. All right, I just noticed that all the images are animated style, right? Sorry. So let's try to upload a realistic style. So what about this one? And give a prompt. Okay, and what about the movement of the camera? Maybe this one, generate. All right, our video is generated. Wow, so nice. So click here. Wow, what do you say about this, man? So natural. So basically, we can make a MTV about this, right? And also upload to the TikTok. Okay, so much for today. I hope you like it. I think Hailuo AI is the best AI video generator in the market, and you got to try this director mode. If you have a dream about being a good director, so please try Hailuo, okay? Congratulations on watching to the end. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. You won't miss out on more great contents. I will see you on the next episode. Bye bye.